what's up, guys? Happy Monday, the 24th. I am Marshall Sparkman, mortgage broker and owner of Sparkman Lending. Got a lot of really cool things that are going on in the market that I wanted to keep you guys updated about. One, let's talk about appraisals real quick. So the new Federal Housing Administration, the FHFA, Federal Housing and Finance Administration, their new saying right now is duty to serve. You're going to hear that more and more. So they're really starting, the new director is starting to study, hey, who are we serving? Who are we really serving? Mortgage companies, who are you serving? Realtors, who are you serving? Governmental agencies, who are you really serving? So part of that is they are revamping appraisal standards. They're actually lowering the standards because they've done studies and they've determined that 78% are males, over 70% of appraisers are over the age of 50, and 95% of appraisers are white. So therefore, they decided that they need to lower the standards. Isn't that kind of offensive? Like, I don't know. It's kind of weird to me, like, hey, they're all white males over the age of 50, so we need to lower the standards to allow more diversity. I don't know, man. Anyways, that is what it is. And however, my question is, are we even going to need appraisals? Because come March, next month or so, you're seeing Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac rely more heavily on the automated valuation models, and they're saying we're going to see more appraisal waivers. So my thoughts are in the next couple of years, we may not even need appraisers anyways. Let's face it, what's an appraiser for? It's really just to cover the bank's butt to make sure that they're lending on a good asset. Well, right now, we can pull comps the same as the appraiser does with these automated valuation models that we're pulling online, just like you guys are. And the appraiser is just taking a picture to verify to the lender, hey, this house is still standing. There's other ways of doing that. Anyways, I'll move on from appraisals. Big changes are going to be coming there, though. Number two, private label mortgage companies. You're going to start hearing more about that. You're going to start seeing more of that. What this is, these are private companies that are coming in and they're buying mortgages. So previously, the government has been the ones that are buying these mortgage-backed securities. So the government's been buying all the mortgages, and private companies can't come in and compete because the government's just spending so much money and they're keeping the prices so low. Well, now that the interest rates are going up, the government is backing out of buying these mortgages. Private companies are able to come in and make good, solid investments. So what the private companies are going to do, they're going to stick their middle finger up, say, you know what, screw you, Fannie and Freddie. We're going to lend our own money and we're going to make up our own rules and our own guidelines because it's our money and we're the ones lending it. So I think you're going to start seeing some changes. Like right now, we're rolling out a new product. I can do a VA loan down to a 500 credit score. So if the situation makes sense, the credit score is not going to be an issue. Situation has to make sense, right? Remember I said that. Don't be like, oh, we're going back to the subprime days lending money to anybody. I don't think we're going to see that, but I do think you're going to start seeing some more make sense stuff happen, and you're going to start seeing some less red tape on getting a loan. So with private labels comes cryptocurrency is another new one that's coming out. They're finding ways to close loans with cryptocurrency. How cool is that? So just in case if you've been living under a rock, mortgage rates have gone up. Let's take a look. The current, let's see, this is national average rates. Current 30-year fixed rate is 3.69%. 15-year rates, 2.95%. Government FHA VA rates are average 2.33%. Jumbo loans are 3.34%. Did you know that you can get a jumbo loan cheaper than you can get a conventional loan? Huh? That's crazy. That's because, guess what? These private companies are stepping up and starting to inject more capital into there, and the government didn't want anything to do with jumbo and second homes and investment properties anyways, because that's not their focus. Their focus is the homeowner, getting people into their primary residences, okay? So you're going to start seeing more private label companies come out, and I'm here for you guys. If you need anything, anytime, or you just need to run a scenario by me, give me a shout. I'm here for you.